Okay guys, good afternoon, and what I have here is I'm trying to get rid of this um, steering wheel, and I'm gonna put an aftermarket steering wheel. Duh, you know. So basically this is what I have here is a 2013 Hyundai Veloster. I just got this about not even 2 months ago. So what basically I did is I don't know if you can see it from here. This nut there is a T40. Gonna need the T40 uh, bit wrench, just like this one. All right. So you have one on the left, and you have one on the right. So it takes a lot of turns before this airbag came out loose. So my suggestion is, while you're removing this, the airbag is already off. I already took it out. So while you're unscrewing, the left or the right side, try to put a little bit of pressure on the airbag. So just like this. Maybe you can get a screwdriver. You can get a friend to put a little bit of pressure. It makes it a lot easier, removing the airbag. All right. So I got this thing out already. I wasn't gonna take a video out of this, but then I was searching YouTube, and there's no one out there. I know someone out there like Veloster Rodney. He's very very good. I mean, that's how I learned how to remove this steering wheel so far. So I got the airbag out. It's pretty easy. Once you get this thing out, once you remove the airbag, this is a little bit hard when you're filming, when you're recording, when you're video recording at the same time, trying to remove this steering wheel. So basically this thing right here, it goes in there and on the center. And this tab right here, all you have to do is, this one is flush against this yellow tab here. So all you have to do is just get a screwdriver and just lift this end, either one, left or right. So this one is like, I don't know if I can do it, maybe not. So I hope you get what I meant. So this one is, the orange part is flush against this yellow tab, and all you have to do is just lift it up and remove them. Then you can remove the airbag. So what I'm doing right now is remove the center nut right here. All right. So I was able to unplug this one. It was right there. It's pretty easy. It's so simple. Anyone can do it. The only thing I was having a problem earlier is like removing this T40 nut on the left and right hand side, and then so I decided to put pressure on the airbag on the left or on the right. Either way, it makes it a lot easier. So this one, I said, wait a minute. So let me, video record it. So at least, hopefully, a lot of Hyundai Veloster owners who want to change their their factory steering wheel to aftermarket, I hope I can help out. I hope this video helps out. So I got the hub adapter from Pierce Motorsport. I've been searching on eBay, Amazon, and yeah, finally found a hub adapter specifically for a Hyundai Veloster. Because I read it on forums, I read it online that the Hyundai Genesis hub adapter doesn't fit. So this one, you know what I do? And another thing too that I learned from Veloster Rodney, I hope I got it right, and I want to thank him for, for doing all those videos on YouTube. So what he was saying is, it makes sense. Sorry for my voice. Yeah, not to take this lug nut all the way, because you're gonna have to wiggle it. I guess hit it on the side. This is a pain in the neck. See. Okay. I wish I should have got in my damn GoPro camera. Makes my filming a lot easier. Stupid me. Now, Veloster Ronnie was saying that yeah, this is gonna be a pain, especially for the first timer. Especially, if you haven't taken this steering wheel before, then it's gonna be a pain in the butt. So I might have to put the camera down, the phone down. So let me see if I can get rid of this, take this thing out, and we'll go to the next step. All right, see you guys later. Okay, guys. So as soon as I stop recording, right, what I did is I just wiggle the steering left and right, just go back and forth, front and back, so I just kept wiggling it, and it came out pretty easy. I was surprised. So got it out. Success, thank God. Okay, now what am I gonna do with this? Okay, so just bear with me. I haven't the last time I did this was like, oh gosh, it was like ages ago. I had a Hyundai Tiburon. That was a nice car. It's got a wide body kit. It's got TVs, DVDs, the whole enchilada. So this one. So this is the one. This is the hub adapter I got. I hope it fits. We'll find out. Just bear with me. I don't even know how to. Is there any? Now, one major problem that I notice. This plastic tab right here this thing comes off. Alright guys, learn as I go. Things removable. So this black plastic portion right here, and you got this yellow whatever you call this. I heard it before on YouTube. I'm such a retard. And this blue tab, I think I might be able to take it off, but then it might void the warranty. But then hey, that's what tuning is all about. Alright guys, another thing, I might have to shut this damn camera off again, and let me see if I can remove this so I can put the hub adapter. Alright guys, see ya, bye. Okay guys, I'm back. So you can see I ruined everything. Okay, I was able to get this thing out, including the clock spring. Alright, the clock spring is already There, I already screwed it up. All right, but there's no need for it because I'm putting an aftermarket steering wheel. So there's actually no biggie. I hope so. All right. So in order to get into this, in order to remove this, all right, the first thing you have to do is just two screws here. One, two, and there's one underneath. Pretty simple. Then yeah, this the top portion here. Yeah, came off easily. No big deal. And then this one was attached. There's a clip. All you had to do is just get a flat tip screwdriver, and you will be able to. Let me see. Where the heck is that damn thing? I think it got clipped in one of those, one of these latches here. I hope you guys can see it. So when you remove this, it's pretty simple. It's pretty simple. You just remove this, and then all I have to do now is remove those two, and I should be good to go. Now, finally, let's see if this thing works. Voila. Yep. Good to go. That's the way to do it. I hope it works. So let's see. Let me see if I can remove this. It's a pain in the neck when you don't have someone to. Okay, I got that one out. I have no clue what are this stuff for. Airbag, probably for the clock spring. There goes my volume controls, cruise control. What else am I missing from the original steering wheel? Take this thing off. And this portion too is very greasy. See it? So just be careful, guys. I might have to put the damn thing down again, and I try to remove this. Be back. Adios. Alright, I'm back. So I was able to put this cover back on. I just put the first two screws that's right here in front of me. There's another screw that I had to put it back underneath this console right here, this cover right here. Alright, so all I had to do, this is a 21 millimeter that I'm using. It's actually from one of the wrench that I used to take off the tires, the rims. And before you do all of this, I took the negative terminal out, negative and positive. I disconnected the battery. So that's basically what I did. So I went to the airport. I went to JFK. Come back like 3 hours later, and then what do you call this? Then I started doing this. So right now it's basically tightening this thing up. Make sure it's pretty good. Right center. And this is a Sparko hub adapter. It didn't have the original box. They just sent me this brown box. Right, as I said, I got this from Pierce Motorsports. It's like $73 to get this. So it's alright. So $73 for the hub adapter, and I did have this fake Sparko quick release. I don't know, right now not rich. I just want something to to make it look nice. And this will be, where's my damn aftermarket steering wheel? It's buried here. So this will be my new steering wheel, aftermarket. It looks solid. I mean, it's not you know, it's not original. I don't even know how much I paid for this. 30 bucks for this. So now what we have to do is tighten this sucker up. Gosh, I need a cameraman here so I can do this quicker. Now I will not have my horn. When I got this car, the horn doesn't work anyway. Plus, I cut off all the damn wiring. I don't even know where's the wire that goes, you know, for the to hook up the horn. So I'm supposed to. Probably the tires are moving to the right. Let's see. Alright, so far so good. It's hard to work and be a cameraman installing this aftermarket steering wheel. And okay, I hope that should do it. We have to do it one more time. You know, if I don't have this damn camera, I'll put a piece of pliers just to hold it up, you know. So when I'm turning to the right, maybe I can get a screwdriver and turn it to the left so it matches up. Yeah, I think that should do it. So this one right here, there's no use for it, so I'm just gonna put it right here on the side. And you have this rubber thingy, stupid me, whatever this thing is. You know, just to cover it up so it looks nice. And then basically after that, it's pretty simple, folks. I mean, all you have to do is just line this baby up. So you get this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes, and you got this screws here with an Allen wrench. Hook that baby up. It's pretty simple. Just follow the instructions. As I said, there's other YouTube videos out there that shows you how to install the quick release, but I've been looking at YouTube and there's no one out there that, you know, that has the video of how to install an aftermarket steering wheel on a Hyundai Veloster. As I said, Hyundai Veloster, not, you know, not Mazda Miata or Nissan 350, Honda Civic or whatever. So alright, I'm gonna do maybe one more video once I, what do you call this, hook this baby up so you can see the final look. See if it works. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so alright, I installed the steering wheel already, so but I just want to show you how I got one end of the quick release what do you call this, connector installed to the hub adapter. It's a no-brainer. There's 6 holes in here on the hub adapter. Installed it using this hex screws. Alright, now this is what I didn't do, so I hope if you know any Hyundai Veloster owners, if you do get a hub adapter, you see this little tab here. Just four of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess before you tighten up the center nut, just make sure, I guess you put it right behind the hub adapter. I guess you put it all around here, so this thing doesn't move. But then it was too late for me to do it, so it's okay. I'll just leave it like that. That's fine. So basically, all right, so this is the other end of the quick release. So all I didn't connect the horn, since I don't have any wiring from the from the steering wheel, because I cut the damn thing off already. Plus anyway, I don't think I'm gonna need it anyway. All right, so after this one, install your aftermarket steering wheel to the other side of the quick release. All right, there's also 6 screws. And all right, bear with me again, because since these are the, all right, that's it. That's it, folks. Maybe I'll try it in about a half an hour. Make sure the steering wheel doesn't come off. I'll pick my other half later on at 5 o'clock or 6. So that's about it. Just so, I mean, basically all you have to do is just make sure you take the batteries. I mean, disconnect the batteries. I mean, just a precaution. You need a T40. You need a T40 wrench, whatever you call that, to remove the two screws here on the sides. And just play with the original aftermarket steering wheel. Just wiggle it back and forth, side to side, and it actually came off. And to take off this thing is pretty simple. 2 screws, there's one at the end. And then take off I kept forgetting the damn name of it, and that's about it. It's it took me like, I don't know, it seems like it took me forever to do this. Yeah, I hope it helps, you guys, whoever is planning to install an aftermarket steering wheel, especially for a Hyundai Veloster, because I've tried looking at it on YouTube, Google it. I couldn't find anything that has the video instructions on how to, I apologize if this video is not precise, like step by step. I did my best, guys. So that's about it. Take care. Give me a thumbs up, please. Subscribe. It's free. Come on. I know some of my videos suck, so I need a lot of improvements. And I haven't done a video since I went to the Philippines last August. To be honest with you, I still have videos in the Philippines that I haven't even uploaded in YouTube. First, I have to edit it. That's how lazy I am. Alright guys, that's about it. Next time, you see, if you notice, that's also my Jeep Renegade right there. 2015. I'll do another video on this Hyundai Veloster. I don't want to show you the exterior. It's a surprise. This is my little project, so all right. Cheap aftermarket steering wheel, cheap quick release. The hub adapter costs $73 plus $20 for shipping and handling. Took about 5 days. It's okay. I wish you could, but I'm not complaining. Pierce Motorsport, they helped me out. Thank you so much. Shout out to them, and that's it. God bless. Thank you, and see you all again. Bye.